Hello and welcome to another lesson. In this lesson, we are going to look at using so and such and also showing emotion when we see something that we like or dislike. But to start, let's watch a short little video. Wow, wasn't that so good? And wasn't she such a good dancer? In English, we use so and such to make a statement stronger and more emotional. She is a good dancer. Yeah, she is such a good dancer. More emotional, much stronger. Now, to make these sentences, for so, you put subject, be, so, then an adjective or adverb. Her dancing was so beautiful. For such, we put subject, be, such, a, an. Then adjective, you can leave the adjective out or you can keep the adjective in. Then a noun. She is such an amazing dancer. Now, before we continue, let's look at how to use such with a and an. Now, such an is used with singular countable vowels. A vowel is the letters A, E, I, O, U. So in the example, she is such an amazing dancer. Amazing is a vowel sound. So we're going to be using an. She is such an amazing dancer. Such a, notice the pronunciation, such a, she is such a, is used with singular countable consonants. A consonant is all the other letters that are not vowels. So in the example here, it is such a beautiful day. Beautiful is a consonant sound, so we're using a. It is such a beautiful day. When we don't use a and an, is with plural uncountable nouns. They are such beautiful flowers. Okay, now you and I, we are going to visit Sakura. That's the dancing girl. And we are going to compliment her dress. She's wearing a very pretty dress. So we're going to compliment it and we are going to use so and such. Let's go. Hi, Sakura.
Hi, Paul.
Wow, your dress is so beautiful. Oh my God, that is such a beautiful dress. It is so amazing.
Why, thank you. I appreciate that.
Now, let's have a look at the structure that I used to make those sentences. Now, the first thing that I used was an expletive. Now, an expletive is a word used in English to show strong emotion. A lot of people will use a bad word. This is a good channel, so we won't use those words. We'll stick to these ones. Wow. Oh my God. Holy hell. Sweet mama. They don't have a meaning. They are only there to show strong emotion. I'm very emotional. I'm going to say something emotional and strong. Then I use the subject. Subject be, that they be, it be. Then so, such. Now, let's go back to Sakura, and we are going to use so and such again to make a comment, an emotional, strong comment about what she says.
When two things occur successively, we call them cause and effect if we believe one event made the other one happen. If we think one event is the response to the other, we call it a reaction. If we feel that the two incidents are not related, we call it a mere coincidence. If we think someone deserved what happened, we call it retribution or reward, depending on whether the event was negative or positive for the recipient. But if we cannot find a reason for the two events occurring simultaneously or in close proximity, we call it an accident. Therefore, how we explain coincidences depends on how we see the world. Is everything connected, so that events create resonances like ripples across a net? Or do things merely co-occur and we give meaning to these co-occurrences based on our belief system?
I did not understand a word of what she said. But wow, she is so smart. She is such an intelligent person. She is so amazing. Excellent. Now, we are going to look at another little structure that we can use when we see something and this thing excites us, or maybe it makes us angry. We use this expression the same way as so and such to show emotion about something we see and we want to comment about it to other people. So the expression that we can use is be, that, noun, adjective, noun, or what. Now you can have the noun at the front of the sentence, or you can have the noun at the back of the sentence. Let's look at an example. So here you are walking along the street and you see this beautiful painting in a window. You immediately turn to your little friend and you can say to them, "Oh, wow, is that a beautiful painting or what?" Or, "Oh, wow, is that painting beautiful or what?" Now the next structure we are going to look at is one where we start the sentence using what. Let's have a look. So in this structure, we use what, an, then we put our adjective, then a noun, then that is. Once again, let's look at a picture. So we have a picture here, and you want to make a comment about this picture. We're going to use the structure we just looked at. So we can say, "Whoa, what a painting. Whoa, what a painting. What a painting." Or we can go and say, "Whoa, what a creepy painting that is. Whew, what a creepy painting that is." Creepy means something that makes you feel uncomfortable, makes you feel a little bit scared.
Hi, I'm Logan. Unfortunately, Paul can't finish the lesson, so I'm going to be your new teacher. Now we're going to watch another little video here, and in this video you are going to hear some expressions that we can use with so and such. Watch the video, and after we have watched the video, let's discuss these expressions.
So you think you are such a good dancer, do you? Well, I hate dancing as much as I hate Grandma Monkey.
Why are you here, Dr. Death?
I am here to make you my wife.
Are you crazy? What a stupid thing to say. You are insane if you think I'm going to marry you.
Such a pity to hear that. So be it. Prepare to die, girl. You have defeated me today, girl, but I shall return, and you will be so sorry when I do. I will make your life such a living hell. Oh, no, I've lost my bag.
Well, that was so great. I really enjoyed that. Now, you may have heard Dr. Death use so in the front of a sentence. In English, it is very common to start a conversation by using so. You may walk up to a person and say, "So, are you having a good day today? So, you're from Japan, are you? So, we've got a lot of work to do today." Very common just to put it at the start of a sentence to make a conversation, to start a conversation. The next expression Dr. Death used was the expression such a pity. Such a pity. This basically means this is an unfortunate occurrence to happen. Something bad happens, so you might say, "Oh, that's such a pity." "Oh, I failed my exam." "Oh, that's such a pity." That's such a pity. Be careful. This is used a lot in English to be sarcastic. Sarcastic means we say one thing, but we mean another. "I don't really feel sad for you. I don't care." Such a pity. I've lost my wallet. "Oh, that's such a pity." Maybe I care, maybe I don't. It depends on the intonation. The next expression is so be it. So be it. This means someone has said, "I am doing this action." And you tell the person, "Okay, this action, make it happen. I want to see this happen. So be it." "I'm going to eat your lunch." Well, so be it. This is going to happen. I am not going to interfere with this action. Do it. I may not like you doing the action, but I'm not going to interfere in this action.
Oh my God. Was that fun or what? I had such a great time today. And please, if you liked the lesson, subscribe. I hope to see you again soon.